4 ways to utilize LinkedIn video to increase sales. When it comes to innovation, being first doesn't always mean being the best. While LinkedIn was the last of the popular social media platforms to incorporate a native video feature, it offers businesses a slew of new opportunities for increasing sales. This new feature allows users to upload and share videos directly from their mobile phone, which enables their network to enjoy original and unique content that is relevant to their industry. Here are 4 ways that you can utilize LinkedIn videos to increase sales. Create new and compelling visual content. The ability to create and publish long-form content on LinkedIn is one of its more popular features. Producing long-form content enables you to educate the clients, leads, and prospects that visit your profile. With LinkedIn Video, you can create compelling content that visually stimulates your audience. Research has shown that visual content, like videos and images, are more likely to be shared, increasing your reach and providing you with a broader audience. Bring video to your LinkedIn groups. One of the most significant advantages of joining groups in LinkedIn is the ability to expand the size of your network with highly targeted niche audiences. Adding video to your content arsenal can help you capture the attention of more prospects that fall under your target demographic. Establish thought leadership. People tend to respond better to video content, further solidifying your efforts in building thought leadership. A video will help to humanize you and allow people to get to know you better. Video has also been shown to establish authority in a topic and niche. People relate better to video, and science has shown that the brain is hardwired to trust the human face. To build thought leadership, make sure to maintain a conversational and relatable tone and cover a wide range of topics that are relevant to your industry. Leverage referrals. An active component of building your network is your current customer referrals. You can create videos that show your prospects why you are worthy of their recommendation, and you'll soon have more references coming in as people start to see the person behind the screen. With LinkedIn Video, you will be able to effectively increase the leads that you generate, which will result in a boost in sales.